Look at this. What year is this?
25.
1925. Look at this. Come on, baby. You could do it. Look at that engine, Devin. Woo! Look at that. Oh my God, it runs better than half the cars I own. Look at that. Smooth. Holy mackerel. This is a Mack Truck. This is actually a Mack Truck. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful. Oh, I know. It's chain driven. It's amazing. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful truck, man.
The concert couldn't be here because it's a caution, not a truck stop.
Right.
So when I was leaving, it was like a beehive. People were swarming it. So I'm backing out, ready to leave. The guy that started this show, he comes in and he goes, "You can stay. If anybody calls you, tell me." And he said, "You're welcome anytime."
Yeah, I've seen you last year here.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous, man. I mean, I've never even seen a chain-driven vehicle like that, ever.
Actually, Mack kept it going till like the mid-60s.
Mack Truck kept this to the 60s?
That selling went almost 69.
And what year is this?
25.
25. Wow.
One work?
Everything works. Does that horn work? Let's hear it. That's beautiful. You set the timing and everything from up there. Oh, that's awesome.